Hi guys, let's move on to the next question. Question number 5, part 1. It says for each linear equation given above, draw the graph and then use the graph drawn in each case to find the area of a triangle enclosed by the graph and the coordinate axis. So we'll look at the graph later. Let's try and the area later. Let's first try and figure out the equation and then let's find let's plot the line first. So let's look at this. So this will be 3x minus 5 plus y is equal to 7, which means y is equal to 7 plus 5 minus 3x. Y is equal to 12 minus 3x. Perfect. So y is equal to 12 minus 3x, which means I can also write this as y is equal to negative 3x plus 12. Again, the next line that I'm writing is just for understanding. Y is equal to mx plus c. If I compare this, m is negative 3, which means my slope is negative 3, so it will be slanted something like this, and my c in this case is 12, so it will pass through 0 and 12, which means it will pass through this point here. Perfect. Chalo, let's now, this is my dependent variable and this is my independent variable. So let's try and make the table again, and again I think the table is slightly hidden because of the recording symbol there. So if x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 0 plus 12, which is 12. So if x is 0, y will be equal to 12. If x is equal to, let's say, 2, y will be equal to negative 3 into 2 plus 12, which is negative 6 plus 12, which is 6. So if x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 6. Okay, I don't think I'll have more space on the y side, so let me look at value of x as 4. Right? So if x is equal to 4, y will be equal to negative 3 into 4 plus 12, which is negative 12 plus 12, which is 0. So if x is 4, y is equal to 0. So now let me plot these 3 points. 0 with 12 done, 2 with 6 here. Next is 4 with 0, 4 with 0. So now let's join this line using a scale, extend it on both sides slightly, and what I have plotted is 3x minus 5 minus y is equal to 7. Please write your equation exactly in the form it's given in the question unless specified. So this is my equation. Now let's look at the second part of the question. It says find the area of the triangle enclosed by the graph. So the area of a triangle, I can see a triangle here. Let me change the color. So I can area of the triangle enclosed by the graph and coordinate axis. So this is my graph and the coordinate axes are this and this. So any area which is enclosed by the coordinate axis and the graph, yes, this is the area, right? So now let us give this triangle some name. A, this in any case usually is O, and this is B. So area of triangle AOB. I hope you remember the formula. It is half into base into height. In this case, half into base is OB and height is OA. And how much is OB? OB is from 0 to 4, which means it is 4 units, and OA is 12 units. So 2 into 2, that's 24 square units. Please note, you should always write the unit. So my area of this enclosed triangle is 24 square units. You can expect such kind of a question in an exam where you don't just have to plot it. After that, you are supposed to apply the graph to calculate something else, like in this example, area. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.